In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apple Maps navigation. First, open the Apple Maps app on your iPhone. The map should center on your current location. If it doesn't, make sure location services are on and that you have a data connection, since Maps uses real-time information for traffic and transit. Next, search for your destination. Tap the search bar at the bottom, start typing an address, a place name, or a category like coffee or gas, and pick the exact match from the results. Double check the city and the pin on the map so you know you're heading to the right spot. If it's somewhere you go often, consider saving it as a favorite for quicker access later. Now choose how you want to travel. Along the top, select driving, walking, transit, cycling, or rideshare. Each mode tailors the route and the info you see. For example, driving shows live traffic and incidents, walking prioritizes safe pedestrian paths, transit includes schedules and transfers, and cycling highlights bike-friendly routes and elevation. Some modes vary by region, so pick what's available and best for your trip. Apple Maps will suggest routes. You'll see the estimated time of arrival for each option. Tap a route to preview it. You can zoom in to check turns and landmarks and review notes like tolls or ferries. If you need to avoid tolls or highways, open route options and adjust those preferences before you start. When you're ready, tap Go. Voice guidance will begin and the map shifts into turn-by-turn mode. Set your audio volume to a comfortable level, and if you're using CarPlay or Bluetooth, confirm the audio is routed to the right output. You can also share your ETA with a contact so they know when to expect you. Follow the spoken directions and the on-screen cues. Lane guidance helps you get into the correct lane early, and speed and hazard alerts keep you informed. If you miss a turn or hit unexpected traffic, don't worry, Maps will automatically reroute you to keep you on track. You can swipe up on the route card to view the list of upcoming steps, or to end the route when you arrive. Here's a helpful tip. You can add a stop along the way. While navigating, open the route options, choose to add a stop, and search for what you need, like a gas station or a grocery store. The app will insert it into your route and update your ETA. That's it. Open Apple Maps, search your destination, pick your travel mode and route, tap Go and follow the directions. With these basics, you'll get where you're going confidently and efficiently.